how to scan your math work using your iPhone or an Android phone, but I am showing you on an iPhone using the OneDrive app and the Pulse app. So what you need to do first is open up the OneDrive app, and you are going to click on the round camera icon in the bottom middle. From there, you're going to center your work on a contrasting background. And we want to capture the document. So we're going to, now that we can see the text clearly, we're going to take a picture of that. And we can adjust the borders so that we only scan in the actual paper and not anything else. So once we've done that with the first page, then we want to scan in the second page. So we're going to press confirm once we have our border adjusted. And we're going to click on the bottom left-hand corner where it says add on top of the camera. So I'm going to choose that icon. I'm going to turn to my second page. I'm going to make sure that I can see it on my contrasting background. Everything is nice and clear. I'm going to take the picture by clicking on the white button. And again, I'm going to adjust my borders so that I only scan in the actual page and not my background. So once I've done that, I'm going to press confirm again. If I had more pages, I would click keep capturing the pages. And when you are done, you should notice on the blue chevron symbol that there is a number 2 that signifies how many pages you have scanned in. So that's going to save those 2 pages as one file. From there, you're going to just press on the chevron symbol. When you are done, you are going to save your file in whichever folder you want to within your OneDrive. I'm just going to save it to a generic file folder, and I'm going to save this as math work. And then I press my check mark, and now that object is saved, and it's at the very bottom of my list. Or sometimes it's alphabetical depending on how it's organized. So from now, I'm going to open up my Pulse app. I'm going to choose my course, MFM 1P with Mrs. Beckett. This is week B. I'm going to choose week A. I'm going to then click on the 3 dots in the top right-hand corner. I'm going to launch the course homepage. From there, I'm going to view as a student so that I can actually submit a document. And then I'm going to click on the 3 lines in the top left-hand corner, and I'm going to choose assignments from this navigation bar. So I'm going to choose assignments, and from there I'm going to choose Unit 1 test or whichever folder I'm going to access. And then from there, I'm going to submit my file. So in order to submit it, you can only submit one file. You can't submit multiple files or it's not going to accept all of the individual files. So that's why you must scan in your pages and save them as one document instead of 2. So from there, I'm going to click on Add File. I'm going to choose from my OneDrive files, and I'm going to scroll to the very last page. That's where mine always ends up becoming. And I notice that I have the one called Math Work, which I have just saved. So I'm going to click on that and press Add. And there it is in my submission folder. It's there as an attachment. And I'm going to just come down here and press Submit. Once you press submit, it'll tell you that it's submitted successfully, and it'll usually send you an email confirmation as well. If you have any questions about this, please let me know, reach out, and I can help you, walk you through if you need some more help doing this in a different format.